Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector, Florida Notary Public with loan signing agent certification, your construction trained realtor. And as I always do say in every video, construction is always the most important part of the process, no matter what. Whether you're, buying a resale house, if that used house wasn't built right, or if your new house wasn't built right, all those issues, all of those defects are going to be on you. Okay, so that's just so important to understand. Get more information on my website. Go check it out, richnotohomes.com. A lot of great information over there as well. We're out here in Haines City at Crosswinds, and behind me is homes from Hortonn. So we got the Cali and we got the Alex. Now I have videos of both the Cali and the Alex, and currently the Alex is occupied by a whole bunch of people that are looking at it. So I don't think I'm going to be getting a video of that, but I am going to get a video of the Cali. So let's go inside and check it out. There's your Cali, and there's the Alex. Maybe I'll come back for the Alex if I feel like it. I know I have videos of an Alex though. I'm gonna have plenty of the Cali too. Okay, so this house is the Cali. This house is the Cali, and we've seen a lot of Calis before, so it's not the first time. It's 1,828 square feet. Let's go inside and have a look. So the Cali is, Hortonn's most popular seller, or maybe I should say one of the most popular sellers, which is why you pretty much see it everywhere. So yeah, there's his bedroom as soon as you walk in. And over here is another bedroom. And here we have a closet, as you could see. Yeah, so again, I'm just moving quicker because I have a lot of videos of these Calis now. Hortonn's been doing a lot of upgrades as well. They're getting away from the granite, and a lot of the Hortons are now, the homes are coming standard with the quartz countertops. I know I'm a little bit ahead. Now this garage is a good one in the Cali because there's a lot of extra space, and you could see with the paint cans here, that really shows you how much space is on each side of the garage door. You could even see the washing machines. And here's your laundry. And this is that room that I always like in the Cali. It's a little bit larger. And here we have a closet. And this room I always like in the Cali, you know, the kitchen, the living room, dining room area. I like how it's kind of like, you know, it's not that perfect rectangle. Kind of feels like a separate room. And I was looking at this, to be perfectly honest, if I did get quiet, because I think I did while making the video. I was looking at the the Santas and the snowmen and pretty much all of the Christmas stuff that's around here. I guess that's part of the problem with, you know, doing it the way I do it, where I don't go inside the house, because I like it to be an honest reaction. Going into the closet room. So yeah, pretty nice size, you know, master bathroom, I should say, and bedroom, you know, pretty nice. And the lanai on this is decent too. You know, when you're talking about a house that's this size, when you're in that like 1,800 square foot range, you know, there's always that trade-off, so to speak. But if you need the bedrooms and you want the space, I think that this is a good one overall. I always have. I think it's one of the best in that 1,800 square foot range.